The Chinese brand Honor has just announced a new gaming-oriented smartphone under the Honor 80 series. The device in question is called the Honor 80 GT, and it comes equipped with a Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor. Its design strays far from the rest of the series members, and it offers an OLED display with a 120 Hz refresh rate. Let's have a closer look at the specs and pricing of the newly launched Honor 80 GT. The Honor 80 GT debuts with a premium-looking design. It features a large rectangular camera module, aligned vertically. The module is partitioned into two. The upper part houses two cameras, and the lower one has another camera and an LED flash. The handset is offered in three colors: Interstellar Black, Streamer Mirror, and Light Rain Meteor. It comes with a thickness of 7.9 mm and a minimum weight of 187 grams. Moving to the specs, the Honor 80 GT packs a 6.67-inch flat OLED panel that supports a 120 Hz refresh rate, 300 Hz touch sampling rate, peak brightness of 1400 nit, and 2160 Hz high-frequency PWM dimming. For a smooth gaming experience, the phone comes powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 Plus processor, paired with LPDDR RAM and UFS 3.1 storage. It is also equipped with an independent display chip, which can increase the game frame rate by up to 100% and reduce the power consumption by 25%. The device has a capable camera setup. It packs a triple camera unit on the back with a 54MP main camera Sony IMX800, an 8MP ultra-wide-angle lens, and a 2MP macro unit. There's a 16MP selfie camera on the front. The smartphone comes with IR Blaster, NFC, and linear motor, and runs Magic OS 7.0 based on Android 13 out of the box. Fueled by a 4800 mAh battery, the Honor 80 GT supports 66 watts fast charging. Currently, the Honor 80 GT is only available in mainland China. However, the brand may soon bring it to the international market. Its pre-orders begin tonight, and sales will start on January 1st. The prices: 12 GB plus 256 GB, 3,299 yuan for $173 or $39,118, 16 GB plus 256 GB, 3,599 yuan $516 or $42,695,